99% get this wrong. How? They solve it 7 plus 3 as 10, 10 times 10 as 100, and then 100 divided by 100 as 1. What do you think? This is correct or incorrect? Yes, this is incorrect. How? When an expression like this, where multiple operations are given like division, bracket, then in bracket there is an addition, then you have to always follow order of operation, which is also known as BODMAS or PEMDAS rule. As per this rule, first solve the bracket, then off, then division, multiplication, both have same priority, similarly addition and subtraction. So first solve the bracket, 7 plus 3 as 10, and if there is no sign between the number and the bracket, then put multiplication sign. Now, as we said, division and multiplication both have same priority, but what people skip, that we have to always solve from left to right. So in left, it's division. So first solve the division, that is 100 divided by 10, then multiply with 10. So 100 divided by 10 is 10, and 10 times 10 is 100. Then only you can reach at right answer, that is 100. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.